Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys a full face of Fenty Beauty. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So to start out with my brows, I'm using the Brow MVP in the shade Dark Brown, and I'm just going to be filling in my brows. If you guys want to see an in-depth brow routine, just comment down below and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. To conceal under my brows, I'm using the Instant Retouch Concealer in the shade 330. To prime my face, I'm using the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer, and this is the original one. For my foundation, I'm using the Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation in the shade 370. To contour my face, I'm using the Stix in the shade Truffle, and I'm just contouring my cheeks and my jawline. To highlight my face, I'm going back in with the concealer I used in the shade 330. To set my whole face, I'm using the Instant Retouch setting powder in the shade Banana, and I'm just pressing that into my skin with a small powder brush. And a lot of people found this powder drying, but it's not very drying to me. I don't bake with it, and I don't use a lot because a lot goes a long way, so maybe that's why. But yeah, I don't find it drying at all. It's actually perfect for me. To set my contour, I'm using the Sunstalk'r bronzer in the shade Caramel Cutie. And then to warm up my face, I'm going in with the bronzer in the shade Bajan Gyal. I'm also putting some of the Bajan Gyal bronzer into my crease. I'm going in with the Cheeks Out cream blush in the shade Strawberry Drip, and I'm just using a little bit of that. To set my face, I'm using the What It Do Makeup Refreshing Spray, and I really love the fine mist spray of this. It's perfect. I went in with the Full Frontal mascara. To highlight my face, I'm using the Killawatt highlighter in the shades Afternoon Snack and Mo Hunny. And for my lips, I'm using the Gloss Bomb in the shade Cheeky. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.